Are they not allowed to eat eggs? Where?
Yan.
Ikaw mauna. Dito. Okay.
Where?
Ay, meron palang lie detector. Para masakit pa.
Even like scrambled?
Alin? Din!
Oh no, chips. Hindi naman na pinakain ng chips. But, no, I feel like a irresponsible parent. No.
Ano yung ibig sabihin nun?
Hindi mo masaya.
Like? I like?
Shucks. Piling ko ibabad ka namin ng vitamin si Lingling. Oh no. Pero pinakain namin siya ng cat food. Ng halong cat food. Oh my God, pinakita ko pa kanina. This is Ling's food. Oh no. Shucks.
Ulit, di na.
Okay. No more eggs for Ling Ling.